My name is Emmanuel Nnamdi Odimegwu. I'm a student of pharmacy, UNN, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm in 300 level. The experience in pharmacy in UNN has been wonderful ever since. It has been so great. Like, I think this is a playground for real kings. This place is a wonderful place. I don't mean entirely. Over the while, they may say that we don't have the intellect. They may say we don't have the equipment. But I mean the build-up of the social man in us. It's all great. I really want to say that UNN has made. I love pharmacy on its own, but UNN pharmacy has made me love pharmacy more. Also, the reason why I want to become a pharmacist is because it will serve as a foundation for what I want to do in the world. I want to make a main impact in the world. Through pharmacy will stand as my foundation, with which I will use to touch the world in the most ways that people may have never seen.